Welcome to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to access and manage the organization chart within the system. Let's get started. To begin, go to the side navigation panel and click on the Profile menu, and then select the My Profile submenu. This will open your profile page. Scroll down on your profile page to locate the organization chart section. Here, you will be able to view the reporting hierarchy and structure of your organization in a visual format. You can adjust the levels of the organization chart to expand or collapse the reporting structure as needed. This allows you to control how many hierarchy levels are visible at a time. You can also apply filters based on designations to refine the chart view. Simply select the required designation from the filter options to display specific roles within the structure. If you wish to clear the applied filters, click on the Reset button to restore the default view. To export the organization chart, you will find two export options available on the screen. Click on the Standard Export button to download the regular version of the organization chart. If you require a more detailed version for audit or compliance purposes, click on the Auditor Export button to download the auditor-specific export. If you would like to view the organization chart in full screen mode, click on the Pop-out button. This will open the organization chart in a full-page view for better visibility and navigation. That's it! You now know how to access, filter, export, and view the organization chart in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.